how to log into Bank of America app. So if you want to log into the Bank of America app, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is simply launch the Bank of America mobile banking application that you would be able to find here. Then right at the bottom you'll find a little login button. You want to make sure to just tap on the little login option there. Now before you log in, if you have not enrolled for mobile or online banking, you can tap on this little enroll button here to enroll for mobile or online banking. But since you already have an account and you just want to log in, you want to make sure to simply enter your user ID, and once done you can also make sure to simply choose and enter your password. And once you enter your username and password, you can tap on login. You can choose to save your user ID and also set up the biometrics to log in with the fingerprint or face ID. Now if you happen to forget your ID or password, you can tap on forgot ID or password option and provide a couple of details in order to reset it. And once done, you can tap on login option. If your details are correct, you'll be successfully logged in. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.